Hello guys, welcome to Java Developers YouTube channel. Today we are discussing the problem number 4, which is a perfect number. A number said to be the perfect number. Okay, if the sum of the factors is equals to the given number, that should exclude the number. That should exclude the given number. Okay, let's see the intuition first. What is a let's take what is a perfect number? Sorry, what is a perfect number? Yeah, I have taken number is 6. Okay, what are its factors? Like 1, 2, 3, right? 1, 2, 3, and 6. What's the definition says that the sum of the okay sum of the factors that should equals to the given number exclude this given number. That means we need to exclude this, then the remaining sum, which is 1 plus 2 plus 3, that should equals to 6. That means LHS equals to RHS while removing the given number. That means excluding the given number. Then you can say that the number said to be the perfect number. The number said to be the perfect number. Okay, that means what we have to do here. Okay, I mean, we need to understand that we need to do the sum right here. We need to do the sum here. Okay, we need to do the sum. That means we should get an idea. We have to take the variable as sum, right? What is the sum variable has to be initiated every time? It should be initiated from the 0, right? Yeah, and we know the code for the what is the factors, as we discussed the first problem regarding the factors. Then include that code along with we have to do the sum. Then you can say that the code is completed. Okay, yeah, let's see that if the user int of num is equals to 6. Okay, let's take one variable ori, and that should be storing the value of 6. Okay, that means here ori is holding the value is 6. Okay, yes, then take the for loop. Take the for loop int of I is equals to, where we have to run the loop, we have to run from 1. Okay, because factors are starting from 1, right? Yes, and I must be less than or equals to the given number, and then we have to increment every time. We know that if given number, okay, if the given number modulo by I, that should double equals to 0, then those numbers are said to be the factors, right? So what we have to do, we need to add those factors to the sum, right? Sum is equal to sum plus I. What the numbers we are getting, that should be equals to 0. We are getting the factors that should add to sum. Okay, it should not equals. Okay, remember this. We should not write here equals. Okay, because we are excluding the given number, so it must be less than the given number. It should not equals to the given number. Yeah, and after that we need to compare. What is the last step? If the what the sum we got, that should be compared with the original number, because then the num is undergoes to the several changes, right? Yeah, then if the given number double equals to the original, you can say that it's a perfect number, or else you can say that it's not a perfect number. Okay, yes, this is the code for that. Yes, let's run the dry run. Yes, what I have taken, number is 6 and original, whereas ori is holding the 6. It's clear up to here, and we have to iterate 1. I should be iterated from 1 to 5, because we are excluding the given number, right? Then what is that number we taken? We are running the if condition using the for loop. If the number divisible by first, what is the I value? It was starting from 1. Yes, it's equals to 0. That means what be happening here, it was doing the sum, right? Sum is equals to sum plus I, right? That means initially sum is 0. Here I, that is first value 1, is divisible by 6. If that will leaves the remainder 0. So you need to add the 1. What is the sum is upgraded to 1. Okay. Next updation will happen. Then I goes to 2. Now our value is 2. That means 2 is less than 5. Sorry, 2 is less than 6. Yes, checking the condition. And after that 6 modulo by 2. 2 3 times is 6. That will is the remainder 0. Then sum is initially 1, updated to 1. And what is the current I value 2? We will get like, okay, we will get like it's 3. Okay, we get like it's 3. And what is the next one? Next I updation will happen here, whereas I is equals to 3. Yes, I is less than the number. Yes, 3 is less than 6. And what is the next step? 3, that is 6 modulo by 3. Yes, 3 2 times is 6. That will leave the remainder as 0. So what is updated sum and what is I value? We will get 6. Then updation will happen. I will increment it to the 4, and 6 by 4, that will leaves the remainder as 2, which is not equals, just it will increment, and it will increment the present number, that is I is equals to 5, right? Then 6 by 5, that will be leaves the remainder 1. Then 6. After 6, what will happen here? After 6, what will happen here? 6 is less than the 6? No, it's not less than. So it will come out of the loop. Okay. After that, it will compare the sum. What we got the sum here? We got 6. 6 as the original value, 6. We are comparing the values. 6 double equals to 6. Yes. It's it's a perfect number. Okay. That is the intuition and write down for the code. And if you have any doubt, just comment me below. And let's code that. Open the Eclipse. Okay, and let's take new class. That should be the perfect number. And after that, we need to take the main method. Just click on finish. Okay, and after that, what is the thing we have to do right now? Just take the scanner class for taking the dynamic input. Okay, new scanner, and that was taking like system.in. Okay, and after that, we need to ask the user to enter the value, right? Like enter the number. Okay, after that, we need to take the int.next int. Okay, and after that, store that in the variable which is a num. And after that, what is the thing we need to do? The sum, right? We need to store that. We need to take the variable sum, and then we have to iterate I is equals to 1. I must be less than or equals to the given num increment. Okay, if the number what you had entered, that should be modulo double equals to 0. That means it was divisible by the number. Then only you need to go for the number divisible. Then only you need to go inside, and then we need to do the sum operation. If not divisible, we need to increment it. Okay, when the condition fails, that means the number is incremented. Make sure that it should be always less than the given number. Okay, and make if. Okay, and we have missed one thing, right? That is int of ori equals to the number we are transferring to the original variable. And if comparing original double equals to the sum, in that case you can say that if that equals to, you can say that given number, okay, given number is a perfect number. Otherwise, what the number you had given, it's not the perfect number. Okay, that is the code here. Not perfect number. Okay, just run the code. Let's say any errors is there. or it was running fine. If I enter 6, 6 is the perfect number. Okay, and if I enter rerun for that, if I enter 32, 32 is not the perfect number. Okay, if I enter 36, 36 is not the perfect number. If I enter 26, 26 is not the perfect number, right? 24, it's not the perfect number. Okay, a number said to be the perfect number, that should take its factors excluding the given number and do that sum that will resemble the same number you have taken, then only you can say that given number is the perfect number. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, just comment below. Please subscribe to our channel.